Action.
Hello everyone,
Hi.
my name is Boris Evan. You can call me Boris. I am 13 years old. I was born on 18 August 2011. I live in Trawulan. I study in BAC Trawulan. There are 4 people, father, mother, brother and me. I like green color, but I do not like orange color. I like lemon, but I do not like durian. I like cow, but I do not like cockroach. In my free time, I like to read BAC, but in the future, I wanna be army because I want to save in the world. Thank you so much and goodbye.
Bye.